My DeLonghi espresso machine needs some cleaning, and I thought I would show you how I do so. So as you can see, I have two lights that are on right now. This red one indicates that it needs descaling, and this triangle, whenever it's orange, that means that the coffee spout needs to be cleaned. So these cleaning tabs that you can get on Amazon, or I can send you a link if you would like. And then you would need this gasket, this rubber piece. Press and hold the temperature button. So you see this is blinking, then you press OK. This part takes about 5 minutes or so. Water will be dripping out, so make sure your tray is emptied before you start this process. Once the blue light comes on, carefully remove the portafilter and dump the water. Then insert it back in and press the OK button one last time. And this time I would add a cup because there's lots of water that does come out. And there will also be more water in the portafilter. So this time it just rinsed everything out and everything should be good to go. Thanks for watching.